In a world full of simps and FNFs, there can only be one big stepper. See, a lot of people in this world tries their hardest to be the biggest stepper. But what you will know today is I am the true biggest stepper. Wake up every morning, put size 15s on. I wake up every morning. I don't eat cereal. I eat glass for breakfast. I push the wall. I fight with thunder. I race with cheetahs. Birkin bags, never bought them. BBLs, never bought them. Jordans, 1,000 pairs. I am Jordan. I am the Bulls. I am Muhammad Ali. I am Kendrick. I'm the greatest of all time. But I am here to save the world. The world is such a bad place. And they need me, the biggest stepper, to save them. If my name is not El Salvador. Dang, Billy. I'll be a Billy, bro. Uncle Willie. No, sir. What's up, bro? What's up, gang? Right now, we're at the beach right now. Not really at a beach, but we're hanging on some yacht. You know what I'm talking about? Yacht top. Just at the what? That's in the spot. Cool. We're on a yacht top. Gonna get top. Bop, bop. Nigga, rock. Walk. Alright. Yeah, but we think on this yacht, bro, you know what I'm talking about? I'm used to yachts like this, you know what I'm saying? God dang, bro, what's up? What?
Where did Danny end up?
Danny? I'm not proud about that laugh. I'm not proud about that laugh.
They gonna wipe out.
On the yacht right now, you know what I'm talking about? On the yacht right now. Big boy living. Nobody lives like this. Oh, that's right. You gonna do it with the
Hey, bro, come on now, dog. Come on, man.
What's up, y'all? Just tap my cup. You gonna tap my cup? That gonna like clink. Yeah. Click. What? Oh. Hold on. Click. Yeah, hey, fool. Hello. Y'all, gang in this bitch. Alright, kinda embarrassed. Kinda stop vlogging.
That's down now?
I think so. You see Elijah?
Ya las vi posando bien guapas.
Hey, dog. I tried. But dog. We got like this, bro. We got into the water, right? Bro. I just tasted salt water. Bro, listen, bro. I just tasted salt water. Like, you know what I'm talking about? And like, that was supposed to happen, right? I'm talking about the snorkel thing, all right? I'm trying to breathe, right?
Water is not good.
Yeah, bro, I was trying to put the snorkel, trying to breathe. I keep on tasting salt water. I was like, nah, this is not it. I was done at that point.
Well, I share everybody. You could have win, but like, it's not that bad.
Like, if I would have knew how to breathe out of it, I would have kept going. But like, no. So I didn't do it. You know what I'm saying? Can't say I didn't do it.
Did what you did, man.
Like, you know, I would have did it if I could breathe. Like, bro, if I could have breathed, I would have did it. Straight like that. But anybody know I got asthma, real bad asthma. I got bad experiences not breathing.
Real bad. Especially times I was like, bro, I'm just take.
I think he's so cool because he never had an asthma attack at a young age and couldn't breathe out his left nose for 10 years. Like, bro think he's so cool. Bro think he's so cool. Bro, just breathe. Just breathe. You think he's so cool, bro. Oh. Like how Snap said, what's in Mexico?
Stays
I know what's in Mexico? Stays in.
Wait a minute.
What's
in now? In Mexico.
Stays in Mexico.
Beautiful.
Stay with me. Viva Mexico!
We are now the tag team champions. We come to you, take all your money, right? Shit. Nigga that one, nigga that two. Me light skin.
Me dark skin.
Me dark skin.
No, not you dark skin. Me dark skin.
Lighter the darker. Coming for you.
That's ugly.
That's ugly. Oh, say it again. Billy. And then right here is our. Billy, that's it.
Yeah,
that's it.
Billy. You see?
Real gangster with it. Billy.
Real gangster.
Just Billy, nigga.
I don't know how to swim, by the way.
Keep playing.
Yeah.
Y'all.
I'm Billy.
Y'all. Billy.
You know I go silly.
Y'all.
Yeah. I'm
Papa Willie. Yeah.
Hey,
Cut the shit off, bro.
I got
Cut the shit the fuck off.
What is it?
But what is he doing?
I don't know. I really don't know.
Damn, he's
Guys, welcome back to Nigga Though every day. And today we're gonna be helping folks out. Like, really, I'm the guy say today. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I mean? Save the day. I just saved the day again. No, I just saved the day. I just come out here.
Hey guys, I got Cuban. So what?
Let's smoke Cuban cigars.
Oh, no.
Nigga don't smoke.
Yeah, we don't smoke.
I gotta know the environment. Super nigga don't smoke though. All right. Go ahead. You know what I mean? Super nigga out here saving the day once again. I just come out here and just don't worry.
I see they got rings. Oh yeah, these are fire. He probably like 100 something though.
100 something?
Probably. I don't want this.
Look, this. You get it for you.
I don't want these.
Come super nigga.
Hold on.
El Negro
They gotta take their care of
packs
like 9, I think.
on his own time. Okay.
What is that? Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us. Just the two of us. Just the two of us. Yeah, make it if we try. Just the two of us. You and I.
Just the two of us, mi amigo. Fool, you saw us.